Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you hear your own voice in your Windows computer through your speaker or headset. So over here you can see I can hear my own voice over here. Now to fix this, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description, and then type in run in Windows search box and then open the run box, and in the box type in mmsys.cpl and then click on OK. This will open control panel. Now go to the recording tab and then make a double click on the device which is giving you this trouble. So make a double click and then go to the listen tab, and then this option would be checked which says listen to this device. So uncheck the box which says listen to this device, uncheck this, and then click on apply, click on OK, and you should not hear your own voice. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.